Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we will explore Taiwan Semiconductor in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, and now we are prepared to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since December 13, 2024, our system has recognized Taiwan Semiconductor as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.06. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.84%. This equates to an average return of 0.31% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line, currently at $221.36, would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend points towards a potential change of 5.62% in the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 7.89% to positive 8.85%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 63.48% over the next year, with potential returns between 42.20% and 69.29%. This translates to a price range of $305.44 to $363.62 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor features the headline, Taiwan Semiconductor stock upgraded from hold accumulate to strong buy candidate after Thursday trading session. On the last trading day, the price of Taiwan Semiconductor stock increased by 3.86%, moving from $206.80 to $214.79. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. Observers are keen to see whether this upward trend will continue or if the stock will take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 4.12%, ranging from a low of $213.17 to a high of $221.95. Over the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 7 instances and has increased by 8.76% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 21 million additional shares traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 38 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $8.11 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $222.20 and a low of $109.48. Currently, the stock price sits 3.33%, or $7.41, below the 52-week high of $222.20, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, is projected to be a standout performer in the semiconductor sector this year, reiterating a buy rating with a target price of $250 per share. TSMC has solidified its monopoly in the foundry market, gaining momentum in advanced technology with an emphasis on smaller nanometer nodes. The company's revenue from AI accelerators has tripled in the past year and is expected to double again in 2025, driven by increasing capital expenditures on advanced technologies. Recent earnings reports showcase impressive figures, with a 38.8% year-over-year revenue increase and a 57% surge in net income, highlighting the robust demand for TSMC's cutting-edge chips. This performance not only boosts TSMC's stock in the short term, but also instills investor confidence for future growth, especially as the transition to smaller nanometer nodes gains pace in markets like smartphones and AI. Additionally, partnerships with giants such as NVIDIA and Apple underline TSMC's pivotal role in the AI revolution, reinforcing its market dominance. Analysts believe that TSMC will remain insulated from potential challenges posed by new U.S. chip regulations, thus stabilizing its stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, Barclays assigned TSM an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Susquehanna rated TSM as a buy with a hold action. On the same day, Needham gave TSM an underperform rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Needham rated TSM as a buy with a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 19th of July, 2024, Needham also assigned TSM a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general neutral rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support levels can be found at $207.33 and $200.04. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, which is complemented by increasing volume alongside the rising price, considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 2.37%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 92 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $205.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock has average movements during the day, and with decent trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $8.78 between its high and low, which reflects a movement of 4.12%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively average PE ratio, typical for companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year, 2024, is anticipated on the 16th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.17. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $220.01. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering into a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor faces its first support level at $205.84. If this support level holds firm, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $205.17, reflecting a decline of 4.48%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor exhibits several positive indicators and is currently on a slight upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it to be a solid choice at these levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our assessment has been updated from a hold accumulate to a strong buy recommendation since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of January, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open up $1.85, starting at a price of $216.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.